how to get Discord nameplates for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Better Discord and this is where it will take you. After you open it up, simply download it, which is quite easy to do. And after installing this, simply open up Discord. On Discord, just simply open up the settings. Under settings, you would be able to find Better Discord section as well on the left hand side panel, and under the Better Discord section you would be able to find the option of custom CSS. Simply open it up and you would require a code. You can use ChatGPT to write code for you, like just simply give the info to ChatGPT and also give the info of the customization or the kind of nameplate that you want, and you would receive step-by-step information, like you need to open up the Better Discord, then settings, then themes, then open up themes folder. Over there you need to create a new file which is custom nameplate.theme.css, and you would have to paste the code below into that file and save. After that, get back to Discord, then open up Better Discord and themes, and you can simply open up that particular theme. And here is the code. Here's the copy option. Simply copy this code and paste it quite easily. You can also give ChatGPT your username, so ChatGPT updates your username and the name tag wherever it is required in the code. So this way things will get easier for you. Just give your username to ChatGPT and tell it that this is the username for which I want a nameplate, and give the code for this. This way ChatGPT will provide you all the instructions and simply copy and paste the code, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.